सिबलिंग, नाउन, ब्रदर और सिस्टर, यानी भाई या बहन। इनका बस एक ही काम होता है, चुराना तुम्हारा सुख और चैन। जस्ट किडिंग। और एम आई? टांग खींचना, प्रैंक करना, मम्मी पापा से कंप्लेन करना होती है इनकी हॉबी। इट्स द पर्सन यू ट्रीट लाइक योर डॉबी। खुद की गलती होने पर भी तुम पर इल्जाम लगाए वो सिबलिंग। तुम्हारे कपड़े, खाना, खिलौने, घर और तो और पेरेंट्स भी शेयर करे वो सिबलिंग।
When I was a young kid, people would be like, oh, you should tie a Rakhi for your brother. And I would vehemently deny doing that because he's not protecting me.
Do you both tease each other?
Yes, every day. I can't charge.
Why?
My wish.
He is all of 4 years old. He is incapable of protecting me. In fact, I was actively protecting him from everything in the world. And so I was very insistent that he had to tie a Rakhi for me, and I was very thrilled about that.
Then he starts irritated.
And I think from there, it's come a long way to the point where I genuinely believe that he's been looking out for me in his own way.
Pyara, irritatingly annoying, sometimes cute human who always looks after you is a sibling. You had never stayed away from Gayatri. Suddenly she moved out. How was it like for you?
Good. No, I didn't miss her at all.
ये कुछ चीज़ें सभी सिबलिंग्स में होती हैं और ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर सिबलिंग का रिलेशनशिप सेम हो। So what is it like to have a sibling who is different, who has a disability or is neurodivergent?
When I was younger, I would like lie down on the ground, kick and scream and say, I need a sibling immediately.
He was very small, so I hugged him too much.
It was because younger siblings were essentially like personal property. So he would be my little minion if he was born. And I was like, I really like that idea.
Who is more annoying?
She thought of some costume and then she made me a pumpkin for some reason.
Who takes longer to get ready?
I was Cinderella. So I was like, he needs to be a part of the costume. In a moment of genius, I was like, not the Prince Charming, not the fairy godmother, a pumpkin. And he was a very cute pumpkin, okay? He was an adorable pumpkin. So I don't really think it was that big of a deal, but apparently he still thinks it was a little ridiculous of me to do it. I thought it was quite genius.
We like watching movies together.
So we had a phase where we watched all the action movies we could.
I'm a huge fan of anime and manga, which has unfortunately been passed down to him by sheer force of willpower.
वो कोई भी मूवी, कोई भी टीवी शो लगा लेता है और हम देख लेते हैं. हमारा ऐसा कोई इतना प्रेफरेंस नहीं होता.
I was diagnosed with autism when I was 3 years old at Domine.
मुझे तो पता था कि ये न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंट है जब से मैं बहुत छोटा था, तो ऐसा कोई एक समय नहीं था कि मुझे तब पता चला.
I feel like I noticed a lot of signs: the time blindness, the resistance to change, the hyperactivity that was very evident when he was a child.
When I was 13 years old, my mom told me I have autism. She told me that my brain thinks differently.
I got seizures and I think so many medicine की seizure मेरे को control में आते.
I figured it was like sort of neurodivergence, but then I was also like, I'm really like this. My parents are also pretty like this, so it should be fine. It'll all be okay. It was not fine.
जो मेरे दोस्त थे जिनके भाई बहन थे, वो सारे सेम स्कूल में जाते थे, तो मुझे ये बात समझ नहीं आती थी कि उसे स्पेशल स्कूल जाने की जरूरत क्यों है.
Our parents made a decision to put us in different schools so we wouldn't get too dependent on each other for social situations, to have friends. And I think that helped a lot.
How do you feel about me being autistic?
It's a part of who you are, and I accept every part of you, and I haven't known any different. So in childhood, I was always the more talkative and sort of bubbly one, whereas Veer was more subdued and quiet. Now I think it's a reverse situation because Veer loves hanging out with his friends and he loves socializing and going to parties.
जब मैं छोटा था मुझे लगता था कि उसे काफ़ी प्रेफरेंशियल ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है मम्मी पापा से, क्योंकि अगर मैं कुछ काम करूं और अगर मुझे उस काम के लिए कुछ गुस्सा मिले और वो वही काम करे तो उसे नहीं मिलता था.
In childhood, emotions that surfaced very often were misunderstanding and annoyance and anger at my brother.
वो मेरे साथ ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर पाता था. आज हम ऐसे बैठ के बात कर लेते हैं, पर बचपन में मतलब उसका भी डेवलपमेंट थोड़ा पीछे था आज से, और मैं भी छोटा था, और अगर मैं उससे बात करने की कोशिश करता था मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि वो क्या बोलना चाह रहा है.
I was disappointed and confused and I had no friends. Now I have lots of friends.
I am very, very resistant to change. And well, obviously this resistance was labeled as a behavioral issue.
Every behavior of his also had some meaning behind it. My parents always explained things to me, like if we had fights, they would come and explain Veer's side to me, and they would explain my side to Veer as well.
Who is more annoying? Who says sorry first?
We've had disagreements, but they were never incredibly serious. They were always light-hearted and they'd get resolved fairly simply.
पर जब मैं बड़ा हुआ तब मुझे उसकी स्पीच पैटर्न समझ आया, मुझे समझ आया कि वो क्या बोलना चाह रहा है. उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से अब समझ आ जाता है कि वो कंफर्टेबल है कि अनकंफर्टेबल है, उसे कैसे लग रहा है.
Who starts the fight?
Depends.
I was stealing the perfume from cupboard, so he got angry. Then he kicked me out.
Anytime he doesn't want to do something, I call him autism boy and I smack him on the head.
And basically it's the same, oh you do this as well, autism girl, and I don't actually have to stretch my hand up and require a ladder to hit someone's head. I'm like someone over here.
I used to fight with Gaia when we were younger, and now she's become the best sister.
Why did you say it like that?
Laughter was almost about to come.
Who needs more alone time?
Me or him, both of us.
I do think we are very close and we do like giving each other space.
बहुत सालों के बाद ही हम इस पॉइंट पे आए हैं कि हमें एक दूसरे की बाउंड्रीज पता है.
The fact that we give each other space is a signifier of the closeness, not a lack of it.
When we lived in the same room, it was a bit like I didn't have my own space. He also didn't have his own space.
I'm doing independently and go every day for college independently.
I like being in my room by myself because I like to chill out by myself.
झगड़े होने से ही हमारे इतना बाउंड्री सेट हुई है क्योंकि हम झगड़ा करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद एक दूसरे को प्यार भी करके समझ आ जाता है कि ये चीज़ उसे अच्छी नहीं लगती है, ये चीज़ उसे अच्छी लगती है, तो मैं ये करूँ ये नहीं करूँ.
If I'm letting you in my personal 10 feet bubble of space, it means I am extremely attached to you and I count whatever we're doing in that personal space as doing something together.
Who is more caring?
पर एक दिन स्कूल में अच्छा दिन नहीं हुआ था और मैं घर आया था तो मुझे थोड़ा उदास लग रहा था, किसी से बात करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. पर तब भी भैया रूम में आ गया और बैठ गया और मैं उसे बोल रहा था कि मत बैठो, पर वो तब भी बैठ गया.
When we were younger, he was playing with some of the boys in the building and one of the boys said something mean and they were excluding him.
I would be like, no, you can't say that to him. He's a small child. You should be kind to him. You can't yell at him like this.
उसे शायद समझ आ गया कि मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होगा, तो वो अपने ही दिन के बारे में बात करने लग गया कि वो किस चीज़ के लिए एक्साइटेड है और वो मेरे साथ क्या करना चाहता है.
He'll come in the room and just sit around me or sit on me and that physical tussling and sort of messing around sort of pushes away any sort of negativity I might be feeling.
तो उसने मेरा पूरा मूड ही चेंज कर दिया उस टाइम पे.
And she doesn't want to talk, I just sit there and it just makes sense. Yeah, just safer space.
The Karan to your Arjun, Ross to your Monica, Tom to your Jerry. कुछ ऐसे ही होते हैं siblings.
For Rakshabandhan, we tie Rakis to each other. We give gifts to each other and we feed sweets to each other.
A lot of families don't reveal that they have a person with disability in their house.
If I had to say something to families of children with disabilities, regardless of what you think is right or wrong or socially acceptable, a child deserves the best life that they could get. And if saying something is going to help them get that better life, then you should absolutely be saying something.
Everyone should be very open about it and very upfront about it. Like, yes, this is my brother, he has a disability. If they have a negative response to it, then that's not someone I want in my life.
दूसरों के लिए पेशेंस रखो और सेंसिटिविटी रखो, क्योंकि सब लोग आपके पेस पर नहीं दौड़ सकते।
If you hide what your child is, the world won't exactly be able to receive them for the way they are.
अगर आपका कोई दोस्त हो न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंट या आपका कोई कॉलीग हो या कोई टीचर या स्टूडेंट हो, तो ऐसे मत समझो कि वो इशू है या प्रॉब्लम है जिसको आपको सॉल्व करना है मैथ के तरह।
And I think it's not just neurodivergent people and their family members and friends who should advocate for themselves and teach people about disabilities. It's not on them. I think everybody should learn about disabilities and have some level of awareness.
Expecting people to behave a certain way isn't good.
जो न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंट लोग होते हैं वो न्यूरोटिपिकल लोगों से भी अलग होते हैं और दूसरे न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंट लोगों से भी अलग होते हैं, तो वो समझने में काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है।
सिबलिंग विद डिसेबिलिटी होना यानी मज़ा मस्ती, मुश्किलें, प्यार, देखभाल, हाल बेहाल, ये सब कुछ हो सकता है। हाँ, कभी कभी हमें एक दूसरे को समझने में टाइम लग जाता है। उन्हें हमारी डिसेबिलिटी, ज़रूरतें, तरीके समझने और अपनाने में टाइम लग जाता है। कभी कभी उनके चैलेंजेस हमारे हो जाते हैं और हमारे उनके। एक दूसरे के लिए हम कभी कभी दुनिया से लड़ जाते हैं और रोज रोज आपस में भी। They say life is what happens when you're busy making plans. But with siblings, life is what happens when you're busy making pranks.
Happy Raksha Bandhan. If you like this video,
Please like, share and subscribe
to
Developmental Disabilities India.
I love my brother. You love your sibling.